smoke behind that bar. Said you needed dirt, well I'm the tar. Shook my hand like you knew the cost, but you played too clean, now your line got crossed. Soaked in shame. One trust, one shot, one shot, one last breath. Ain't no second chance when I dance with death. Trust me once, I'll bleed you dry. Drag your soul where the bullets lie. You ride with me, better ride full speed, 'cause when I burn, you're the smoke I breathe. I don't bluff, I don't cry. I bury me once, I'll bury you twice. I carved deals with the preachers and thieves, made them swear while hiding sleeves. You played cards like the game was sweet, but my aces lie 6 feet deep. You call me cruel, I call it fair. I don't fall when the devil stares. You jumped aboard like the blood men trust. Now you're coughing dirt from betrayal's dust. I don't forget, I don't forgive. One shot with me, that's all you get to live. Trust me once, I'll bleed you dry. Drag your soul where the bullets lie. You ride with me, better ride full speed, 'cause when I burn, you're the smoke I breathe. No prayers, no dice. I'll bury me once, I'll bury you twice. Steel on boots, lies in boots. Tuss, tuss, snap. Truth got weight, I let mine shoot. Bad chance, dig that hole. No turning back. One trust misplaced, that's the last of your trail. Trust me once, I'll bleed you dry. Drag your soul where the bullets lie. You ride with me, better ride full speed, 'cause when I burn, you're the smoke I breathe. Tell your ghost, don't roll those dice. I'll bury me once, I'll bury you twice. I don't run fast, I run smart, son. I don't fire wild, I just load one. Took my hits from the blood red clay, now I move like smoke through a warpath day. Got a scar for each name they forgot. Got plans stacked deep in this parking lot. I don't play games, I just set them straight, laying traps in silence while they celebrate. My boots ain't loud, but they crack the floor. Each step's a countdown, not folklore. Every move I make, it's a snare I built, from the courthouse steps to a barroom guild. You think I'm slow, boy, I'm months ahead. I plant my justice while they chase bread. I don't bluff, I've been the smoke. Every laugh's a setup, every grin's a choke.
shanty back of the mill. Mama cooked beans on a stove gone still. Daddy ran shine till the feds came round. I learned young how to duck and not make a sound.
My boots had holes, but my spine stood tall. I swung a hammer like a tear-down wall. They said, son, don't reach for the sky so proud. Now I wear my scars like a flag out loud. They laughed at my hands, all calloused and black, but I walked through fire, I ain't ever looked back. I came from the dirt, but I made them kneel. Silver spoons bend when I grip that steel. Talk big words, I just spit truth loud. From the gutter I rose, now they bow in the crowd. You can polish your boots where you go like flame, but when thunder hits, you gon' know my name. Chains and scars from love. Ain't no God sent down from above. I built my throne with my busted hands out of blood, mud, and busted plans. They rolled limos, I rolled wind on chrome. Played with kings, then I sent them home. With a smirk, a drink, and a rebel vow, I turned my dirt path into a crown. They drank champagne while I bit the pain, but I bet they crumble in my rain. From the dirt, but I made them kneel. Silver spoons bend when I grip that steel. Talk big words, I just spit true loud. From the gutter I rose, now they bow in the crowd. I don't need your gates, I break them down. I was raised in the mud, now I wear the crown. Tuxedos tremble when I play this sound. Redneck fire gonna burn this town. I came from the dirt, but I made them kneel. Silver spoons bend when I grip that steel. Talk big words, I just spit truth loud. From the gutter I rose, now they bow in the crowd. From the swamp to the stars, from the ash to the proud, I'm the dirt-raised king. And I say it out loud. Talk tough, we walk slow wide. Steel in the boot, cold fire in the ride. Back road boys with barbed wire rules. Didn't learn from books, we learned from fools. Came up swinging through smoke and spit. Ain't no preacher prayed where we had to sit. We don't flex, don't dance, don't pout. We just nod, load and black it out. No speeches made, no big parade. Just a click of breath and debts get paid. We don't shout, the gun talks loud. When truth runs dry, we draw the sound. You bring fists, we bring the smoke. Let the barrel preach, let the silence choke. We ain't your kind, we don't play proud. We don't shout, the steel speaks out. your temper cool. Every scar I wear's a lesson paid, and every lie you told that grave got made. You yell in chords, we whisper fate. You write up threads, we annotate. I don't need words when little do, and silence tells the loudest truth. One breath, one twitch, one smoky vow. We don't shout, just take the sound down. We don't shout, the gun talks loud. When truth runs dry, we draw the sound. You bring fists, we bring the smoke. Let the barrel preach, let the silence choke. You flex your suit, we wear our cloud. We don't shout, the steel speaks out. One shot sung through smoke and flame. You won't hear fame, you'll hear your name.
Snap, breath, slam.
No anthem plays when we strike back, just the rhythm of a warpath track. We don't shout, the gun talks loud. When peace gets priced, we buy the round. No warning, no fake hero vow. Just boots, just steel and thunder now. So scream your lies, we'll take 'em out. We don't shout, we raise down.